This is how you're gonna level up your hygiene routine. And I'm gonna demonstrate on some towels because we know how sour they can get. So I like to do this in layers. So first we're gonna put down the first layer of towels. Then you're gonna take your good old baking soda. You can get it from your local Walmart or local Publix, anywhere, everywhere. They sell it. You're gonna sprinkle a good amount of that on there. Why I love baking soda so much is because it lifts those odors. You know, you can get a nice smelling detergent, but that shit. Oh, but that baking soda, I can taste it a little bit. Go get it out, okay? Next, you're gonna go in with a detergent of your choice. I love this one because it smells so good and it lasts throughout your clothes and it's affordable. This big jug is only $9.12. You'll pour yourself up a little good amount. You know, they usually say 1 cap is enough for the whole, you know, load, but not for me. Okay? The more the merrier. We're gonna sprinkle that on that first layer. Bomb. And then you're gonna repeat the process. To make it smell extra delicious, I'm gonna go in with some lavender essential oils. I'm also gonna go in with some vanilla essential oils as well because the smell together is immaculate. And then for towels, I like to use hot water so it can really get up in there. And we're gonna do a heavy duty wash because there's some heavy duty work up in here. Once the towels are finished, you are going to take them out and give them a nice good shake. That way they can not be so scrunched up and that they can actually dry in the dryer properly. And just throw them in there. Smelling so good already. They ain't even dry yet. And once they're all done,